gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. It feels so right, it can't be wrong. Rocking and rolling all week long. Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy.
Did dot did it did dot did it did it did dot did it did dot did it did it did dot did it did dot did it did it did dot did it. Baby, come home to me. Did dot did it dot. I saw my baby a telegram asking to be the man, begging her to come back home to me. Oh, I dotted the I's and I crossed the T's, and I'm begging pretty, honey, honey, come back home to me. Dip-dot, dip-dot, baby, I want your love. Baby, I need your love. Honey, honey, come back home to me. Got to have your love. Can't live without your love. Honey, honey, come back home to me. Oh, I made mistakes, that's the truth, but the biggest one I made of you. Honey, honey, come back home to me. I thought that you would understand. I'm just a one-man man. Not like before, so come back home to me. Baby, I want your love. Baby, I need your love. Honey, honey, come back home to me. Got to have your love. Can't live without your love. Honey, honey, come back home to me. Did dot dot did dot did it did it did dot did it did dot did it did it did dot did it did dot did it did it did dot did it. Baby, come home to me. Did dot did it did come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come back to me. No, come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come back to me. No, come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come back to me. Come back, come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come back to me.
Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised through the hamburger stand now. Seems she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. And with the radio blasting goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Well, the girls can't stand her 'cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace. You walk like an ace now, you walk like an ace. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race. Like an ace now, you look like an ace. A lot of guys try to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase. Like an ace now, you drive like an ace. She'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Well, you knew all along that your dad was getting wise to you now. Now you shouldn't have lied. And since he took your set of keys, you've been thinking that your fun is all through. You shouldn't have lied. Now you shouldn't have lied. But you can come along with me 'cause we got a lot of things to do now. Now you shouldn't have lied. And we'll have fun, fun, fun. Now that daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, fun. fun, now the daddy took the T-bird. Fun, 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 now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, 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 now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away. Fun, fun, now the daddy took the T-bird away.
I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle word on the wind that lifts her perfume through the air.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations.
Close my eyes, she's somehow closer now. Softly smile, I know she must be kind. In her eyes, she goes with me to a blossom room.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations.
I don't know where, but she sends me there. Love, sensation. One elation.
Gotta keep those loving good vibrations a happening.